Yo, what is up, everybody? What is up, everybody? Music is a little loud. Goddamn. I need everybody here to go ahead and drop the fire emoji for me. I would appreciate that. And let's get to trading. So I end up taking a okay, hold on. First and foremost, let me stop this music. Like, it's really bugging me. And then, like, let me fix my camera. All right. There we go. That's funny. This is not even better. All right, guys. So, yes, things been going good. Things been going great. Got some exciting news for you guys on my account where we're currently at, on my funded account and also my personal account. We're doing $100 to $100,000, and trading Bitcoin's been nothing but fire to me lately. Shout out to whoever mentioned to trade Bitcoin like last week. Somebody mentioned I should start trading Bitcoin. I was like, you're right, I should start trading Bitcoin again. And that's exactly what's been happening. So if you guys pay close attention right here, this is Bitcoin. I actually got in after the news, and I totally forgot there was news today, but I got in after the news and I just axed it out like right around here. Only made $500 off of it, not too much, but I'm also trading USOIL as well. Not 30, but USOIL. I feel like USOIL and 30 is literally my top assets to trade now. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I've been making profit on both. As you guys see right now, we're up almost 1,000 on oil, but yes. Now let's go into my personal account though. So with my personal account, damn, y'all can't see. Let's see. My personal account, guys, I took a Bitcoin trade and literally made $1,000 off of a Bitcoin trade. I literally made $1,000 off of a Bitcoin trade. Crazy. So my current balance right now is at $1,739. $1,739. I end up holding, I was basically holding Bitcoin. Oh my God. Come on now. Let's see. Okay. So I was holding Bitcoin for this news on my personal account. However, on my funded account, I exited the trade. Yes, I got in the trade on my funded account yesterday and I exited out of that at a stop loss just because I just didn't make any it wasn't going to, I can't hold the trade. That's all I'm getting at. I just can't hold the trade. So that being said, that's pretty much really what it is. I am going to let me see something. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys my, here we go. So currently there was like a couple trades I got in, this was a trade I got in yesterday on my funded account. It was doing okay until it just went completely left. So I'm just like, yeah, no, it is what it is. I also got to post my stream on my Discord channel. Hold on, y'all. Yo, Sway, what's going on? All right, so one thing I'm also going to do on this, I'm going to start putting my wins on here. I know we did that in my stream like 2 years ago. I had put my wins and losses. I think I'm going to definitely go back to doing that after we're done with this competition or this contest that I have up here. For those that's still interested in this contest, I will be announcing the winners tomorrow, which is Friday. You have to follow me and follow Boar, share a story from my live streams, or you can share anything from the feeds, rather if that's from my actual IG or Boar's Fun at IG. And then also you want to follow my Discord channel. So if you guys do that, there will be a chance, you will have a chance to win a $100,000 account with Boar Funded. Other than that, man, I mean, I'm pretty chill with my setups today, y'all. We just been kind of trading based off of the news. And that, you know, that's really it. So I've been actually trading. Once the news had hit, I decided to tap into oil. I didn't tap into it on my personal account, but I definitely did tap into it. This one on my funded account. I'm not even in any trades right now. Y'all can't really see because of fucking me in the way, but I'm not in any trades right now. But the account is currently at $1,739, which is fucking great. Thanks to news, man. And then this one, we're looking still, man. We're at 2,900. We got to get this. We got to pass phase 1. I don't know why we're still in phase 1. I'm like, I know a lot of you guys are really good at like passing prop firm challenges instantly and but y'all got to keep in mind, I'm a risk taker, right? I'm like all in on the trade. So the moment I get to trading like a prop firm, I don't know, I try to play a lot more safe than I usually do on my personal account. And it's not like it's different. So that being said, it's kind of like, we just got time. You know, I've been 9 days in this already. 9 trading days exact. Let me say that. Performance remaining. I still got $7,000 drawdown today. Okay. I just need to make $6,000 more in profit so I can finally go to stage 2. I can finally get to stage 2 once we hit this. But we've been slowly but surely getting to what we need to get to. So that's that. I'm gonna show you guys also my other trades too. So like if you look here, we have all of these strategies here. So my 3-man standing strategy is something I talk about a lot in my live streams. So if you guys are still watching my live streams, make sure you stay on my live streams so you can learn about my strategies. I also got a live stream strategy, which is like just something that somebody else told me to do off my live stream, or just something I did off my live stream. And I got a strategy called Just Random. Just Random is absolutely me going against my rules. I'm just randomly taking a trade for absolutely no reason. And then the last one is the Solo E strategy, which I have no damn clue what the hell this one is. So let me look at the strategy. What the hell is Solo E strategy? Solo E. Oh, all right. Sorry. This is my Solo E waves theory for crypto. So I actually been trading Elliott wave faithfully on Bitcoin now using my EMAs, and I'm gonna break that strategy down too in this stream. So make sure you guys stay in tune so you can be in tune with that. So other than that, if we go into my trades today, let's see. Yeah, today we didn't have a bad day. Or yesterday we didn't have a bad. The other day we didn't have a bad day. Where is trading? I gotta add these two strategies. I gotta add these two in strategies. I don't even know. This Bitcoin trade we took off of my Solo E Wave 3. So let me add that in as a strategy. I don't even remember what these two. Oh, these were my trades I took yesterday. Or yeah, I had to close these. Okay, let's get out of this. I'm gonna close this one at the, what was this? Also the same thing. Also the same thing. Let's go. Oh shit, did it add it? Nope. Let me go back. Add in 3. What is it? Just random. Live stream from Solo E. Okay. All right, cool. As y'all see, Bitcoin is getting up in here. We got 100% win rate on 3 minute standing. That's obviously so inaccurate right now. It's definitely going to change. But the solo E still saying 100%. I don't know why. Okay, I have to see why. But 72% win rate overall, still not bad over all my strategies. I just know for sure, guys, my top strategy is my 3 man standing strategy right now. I made the most money with this. I mean, we're talking like average win is like $1,300, you know? So we can't complain about that. So yeah, I know that 3 man standing strategy is my best strategy. Also, I know that it is good for oil and mainly oil. So yeah. I want to also, did we hit TP yet? No. There we go. Hey, TP smashed on spot. I like it. All right. So would I be trading US oil today? Absolutely not. Maybe I still see Bitcoin going up to this level right here. I'm just a little nervous because of the position that it's currently at right now. Which if we go into Bitcoin, you guys will see that we need to create some sort of supply before I can just assume that, all right, boom, I'm about to just buy into this market. You know what I'm saying? What? That's so weird. Why is it not? Okay. I'm curious to know, what are we all trading today? I want to put a poll up. I do this for a reason so I can make sure I stay in tune with you guys. Indices, Forex. What else I'm missing? We got indices, Forex, gold. I guess I can put that. All right, guys, I put a poll up. I would like to know what we got going on today. The market is absolutely slow today. Not even gonna lie to you. After the news had hit, it's kind of like, damn, what the fuck just happened? Look at this drop. Yo, look at that drop. That is crazy. All right. I don't know if this drop is a spike out or just to take out all the sellers. I mean the buyers. But if it is, then damn. I'm glad I got out that motherfucker as when I can. I'm gonna make sure everybody on my streams is gonna start tapping into trading gold or Bitcoin. Literally. Maybe we can catch this. Maybe we can catch this as an entry, y'all. Even NASDAQ is moving slow. Wow. Yo, even NASDAQ is moving slow. That's crazy. I will. Let's get these likes up, guys. All right, let's get these likes up. I need everybody here to go ahead and make sure you like the video. everybody here to go ahead and make sure you like the video.
Shaping every section intuitively. And get down to detail with the total control and pixel-perfect precision your vision requires. Repeat your designs at scale to keep the momentum of the project moving. With all the flexibility to adapt your layout across screens.
All right, so basically, I got a very simple strategy when I trade Bitcoin. This is actually what I used to do like two years ago. This is what I used to do 2 years ago. Shout out to my boy Trump. Ever since Trump been elected and, you know, tuning in the office and getting shit going, I've been making hella money. Literally. Shout out to my boy Trump. Our $100 account is at $1,700 right now. It's crazy. And I don't even know, like, we took a Bitcoin trade, made $400 off of that. We took another Bitcoin trade and made $1,000 off of that, something like that. I am day trading Bitcoin. Yeah, we've been trading Bitcoin for a minute. I took a loss on Bitcoin yesterday on my funded account, but I had re-entered into it again today. Only made literally $500 off the trade. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, you guys see right here, we only made $500 off of this trade. Y'all cannot see it. Sorry. Yeah, we only made $500 off of this trade. These are our other two losses from Bitcoin, and everything else is pretty much really what it is. I'm thinking about this re-entry on Bitcoin for sure. So I'm very cautious on that. I also see a lot of you guys are tapping into gold as well. Maybe we might have something for gold too, possibly. I've been talking about gold lately, and I've been telling you guys how I do see myself trading gold. As actually, gold's been doing very well when it comes to my setups. For those that's new, make sure you subscribe. I am basically I do a lot of Elliott wave trading, a lot of I guess you could say Fibonacci retracements. This is Trade Locker I'm using. Yeah, this is Trade Locker I'm using. One thing I actually do like about Trade Locker that I know we all are familiarized with MT4, MT5, which is cool, but let's be honest, you know, it's a new year, it's a new wave. We got to kind of figure other things out too. The one big reason why I like Trade Locker is because they have their own risk calculator added in the system. So a lot of times you remember back, and this is what I'm saying, like, so some of us are still old school using MT4, MT5, which is cool. Obviously, it's great for EAs and all that stuff. But I remember for me, when I used to trade, I used to always have to go to my pip calculator and figure out what to risk and then go to my, no, you can do all of that on the platform. And with this prop firm, like I said, we're board funded, I can literally come here, set my risk. I can say I want to risk $400, right? I can say I want to risk $400 and buy in the market, and it's literally going to set my risk for me. And it's literally going to start setting my risk, my stop loss, my lot size, and my TP. That's what makes this all cool. So if I really want to buy it, I could buy it, but I'm not going to buy it right now because I still got to wait on some setups to happen. But yes. So that's one big flaw. If anybody here is looking for like that risk calculator, you have it in Trade Locker. Literally, you could just risk whatever you want and let it be. Now when it comes to my personal account, I am using MT4 or MT4X with Hankotrade. Like I said, if you compare this with MT4X, you know, it really has a lot of different innovative features, but obviously, like I said, OG. You can never go around with the OG. It is old school in my eyes because of a lot of these other different trading platforms are coming out with a lot of innovative stuff, but they can be old school. I mean, they're the fucking top dog in the industry right now, and they will always be. So I know for sure, regardless, MT4, MT5 ain't never gonna go nowhere. It's not gonna go nowhere. I'm telling you guys that right now. So yeah, I'm actually excited about that. Personally, if you ask me what do I care for, I don't fucking matter to me. I'm not favoritism anything. As long as I can buy and sell simply with a click of a button and everything is in front of my face and I don't have to go multiple places, cool. Another thing about TradeLocker is they do have TradingView integrated, so that's kind of why this is super simple for us to get accustomed to, because 90% of us use TradingView anyway to do our analysis. So that's one thing I had about MT4, MT5. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This is where they get shitted on. When it comes to marking up the charts on MT4, MT5, it is the most trash experience for a user ever. Like, I'm telling you guys, it's the most trash because you can't really do shit. Okay, so if you guys look closely, we're about to, let me look at TradingView real quick. So we had tapped. I want to see what we do with this 5-minute close. I want to see what we do with this 5-minute close of this candle, and then this might be another buy. But sorry, I had got sidetracked because I thought I seen a setup. But we wait. We got 3 more minutes. We'll wait. But let me go back to that. Yeah, MT4, when it comes to marking up the charts, it's fucking trash. I hate it. I hated it a lot, and I always had hate it. Like, I had to always use my phone just to mark it up, and it was still like not best. So either way it goes, all I'm getting at is I still like MT4, MT5 because it's the OGs. But you know, I just use TradingView to do my markups, and that's what it is. Like, we shouldn't be having to use 20 different things just to fucking get in a trade, guys. That's what I mean by it's old fashioned still, right? TradingView or TradeLocker has everything here. Risk, it's TradingView integrated, and it's all set. The only thing is I'm only trading this on my personal account, and I'm sorry, funded account. This is my funded account right here. Right, 210, that's my funded account. But on my personal account, we're at $1,700, and right now what you're seeing is MT4X. This is the web version. For those that don't know, this is the web version. You can pretty much get this through Hankotrade. If you guys sign up through Hankotrade, they have the option for you to sign up through their their partnership broker, which is Mango FX, and you guys are able to use it. So yeah, that's really all it is. That's really all it is. We started at $100 on the 6th of this month, and now we're at $1,700. So we took this from $100 to $1,700 in a matter of 2 weeks, just about. Wow. I need to do a payout. It's $100. That's why I don't trip about it. It's $100. What am I paying myself $100 out again? Fuck that. I'm gonna just keep the $100 in there. When we was doing my live stream before, we did for those that don't know, we did 4,000 to 40,000, and that went fucking well. And then after that, we did another like 1,000 to like 9,000, and then like I just took all the money out, and then that's when I stopped streaming for like a whole year. Where is this? We had took this trade, so I gotta close these two and profit. What was this? My 3-man standing strategy? No, this was actually my live stream trades. Is trading on holidays bad? I took a trade on. You can trade on a holiday, but 90% of the markets is closed, so you can't really be trading on holidays to begin with. I don't know if anybody ever get the urge of like, I gotta take a trade today because I feel like if I don't take a trade, I'm not gonna make any money for this week. But you might lose money for this week. I don't know. Anybody felt like that? Okay, look at this move right here. Okay, guys, if this candle can remain positive, if this 5-minute candle can remain bullish, then I will be interested in a re-entry, like literally around here. Okay. Seriously. See, these moves right here is what get me in the market before I just told you guys what I'm looking for, but these are the type of moves that will still get me in the market and be like, fuck, let me just buy it right now. And then once I buy it, this starts to happen. And then I get nervous and I'm like, fuck, why did I buy it? I need to get out the trade. That is what I'm talking about, that 90% of traders still do. Okay. 2 more minutes left. I have to actually repurpose this. What are you doing to prevent losing streaks or revenge trading? So that's a great question. T in motion, great question. So like when it comes to losing streaks, honestly, like last week we had 2 straight L's, four for an entire week. Like I traded on Monday or Tuesday, and then I traded on Thursday, and then it was all losses. I just stopped trading for the week and I just left the market alone. It's just literally what it was. I just had to leave the market alone because it was going to get to me mentally. So that's all it was. I just felt like, you know what, let's just stop trading because at the end of the day, I'm not going to get anywhere. As far as revenge trading, I don't have that revenge feeling anymore. But it kind of got me to where I'm at now was simply focusing on other things and not always sticking my mind into the charts. Back then, I used to always look at the charts every second when I got home, when I was driving, when I was at work. I was always looking at the chart. So now I kind of eliminated a lot of that from my phone, so I don't always tap into it. And also another cool thing is this trade is positive, or this trade is bullish. So I think I'm about to get in this trade right now. I'm actually about to get in this trade. Risky. How do I set it at? There we go. Risking 1,000. Okay, I don't like how my stop loss is set right there. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, because I wasn't really. So y'all just seen what I just did. I'm trying to remember, how do you set the percentage risk, not the actual dollar amount risk? I don't like doing dollar amount risk. I like setting percentage risk. I don't remember how to do that. If somebody here know, let me know. All right, we just got in. Okay, we just got in, guys. We just got in. Let's see where we're going with this one. I am looking for this to long it. Ooh, this is going to be crazy stop loss. We got to be careful with this one. But let's say we can get it up to this TP right here, which is around these highs. This would be a nice entry. Stop loss is technically down here. So let's just see how this one plays out. I have a lot of wiggle room to risk today on my funded account, so we should be fine. We should be fine. I got a lot of wiggle room. Just don't want to see nothing too crazy. So a side note, for those that don't know, one thing I don't like doing, and I just learned it this way, is when I'm in a trade, I don't like staring at the trade for too long, honestly, especially if I already got a stop loss set. I just let it be and let it run, regardless if it's hitting it or not. You know, if I really see the trade that I'm in and it's just like shitting on me, yeah, I would probably get out the trade early. But other than that, guys, I'm always going to make sure that I don't stay too locked in this trade, because for somebody like me watching the trades and knowing that something can happen, I wouldn't even be focusing on the trades. Like, just what's the term everybody's using now? Set and forget. You know, get in a trade and leave it alone. Don't even worry about it. I am currently in Bitcoin right now. All right, my TP, I'm looking at around 10.5, 105.803. That's kind of where my TP is at. My stop loss, I got it below these lows right here just to be safe. I think I'm gonna start trailing this once, if price spikes like how it did when news had hit, I might start trailing this. Otherwise, I'm gonna just leave it how it is for now. Guys, make sure you like the video. Let's get the likes up, man. I would appreciate y'all to help me get these likes up. Let's get these likes up. Right now we're working. Oh shit, I forgot to get in this trade on my personal account. And sometimes that happens. I forget to get in the trades on my other account. Let me see. I'm not even gonna lie. It's fine. I'm not even gonna stress it. Personal account currently is at $1,700. From $100, we started at $100 on the 6th of this month, and right now we are at $1,739 exactly for my personal account. I am showing you guys $100 to 100K on the most transparent, authentic way as possible. Also, I am doing my best to post a lot of this on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me, the Real Solo E. That is my Instagram. And one last thing, if you guys want a opportunity to win a free 100K challenge, follow those steps up there. Follow me, the Real Solo E, and Board Funded. Second, share a story from the live stream or anything from the feeds, either if that's my Instagram or Board's Instagram. And then third, follow Board Funded Discord community. Unfortunately, I forgot to put that in the link, so just follow my community, which is linked down below. My stop loss is like that's what I'm saying. It's different for different brokers because I'm using a prop firm, but my stop loss is literally at 10, 12, 371. I don't know, man. We're above my moving averages. Y'all, moving averages is like so clutch when it comes to trading cryptos. We're above my moving averages, honestly. So I don't see why not, you know. It's like, and we didn't like take out any like crazy liquidity. We just created a new high. So I want to see why we wouldn't be going up. GJ, what? I'm not even trading GJ. Let's tap into gold. Gold is actually dry. No reason to tap into gold. I am mainly using the 5-minute time frame to trade Bitcoin. I love the 5-minute time frame on Bitcoin. 5-minute and 15-minute time frame are top notch. But yeah, guys, I'm telling you, man, since Trump been president, I've been making great money. Trump is literally making me money. I'm sorry, this is why I did elect him as president. He's really good when it comes to the economy, man. He's a businessman. And I'm all about the economy. I'm all about shit to make the economy better. Just me, just saying. Nasdaq's been not doing nasty at all. That's crazy. We are going up. Okay. What I think about Stargate, not tapped in too much into, you know, to all of that, honestly. So I can't really get too much info. What do you guys think about that? Yeah. Okay. We are moving, baby. Come on. Let's see some dollars. Come on, show me what's up. Show me what's up. Let's go, baby. What my 15-minute candle look like? Oh, with this trade, we're looking at a 4,003. What? $3,700 win. I wish I got a better entry, man. I would have definitely had moved my stop loss. This is kind of trash right now, but it's cool. I was just looking at it. I didn't see anything. Yeah, we're going up. We're going up. We're going up, baby. Let's go. Trading Bitcoin, man. I did not get in this on my personal account, but it's all good. At least I got in it on something. Personal account, we're still sitting. Maybe I can get on that. You saying trade NASDAQ. Maybe I can get a NASDAQ on my personal account. Because we're finally trying to. Ooh, we're in a. Oh, wait. Don't get into NASDAQ just yet. Let me actually see something. What if, just thinking, what if this is a liquidity phase? What a liquidity phase is when it takes the highs out and then it takes the lows out, and then it'll usually go that direction of what it did originally. This is part of a reaccumulation redistribution. Are you in it for a buy or are you in it for a sell? I'm not a big NAS trader, man. I don't know. NASDAQ sometimes be playing with my feelings too much. For sure. Let me know how that go. I would be more interested in the sell. If I would be waiting, honestly. But that's just me. Has nothing to do about you. But then again, I don't trade NASDAQ as much as probably you do, so I can't really say too much. US oil data is great today. We made 500 to 1,000 technically on a funded account. I did not trade this on a personal account either. I'm a little iffy. I was a little iffy with it earlier, but I was like, let me just take it on a funded account. Oh well. I'm more like in tune with trying to show you guys this $100 flip. Like, for real. We're still in phase 1 on my funded account. Like, once we get funded, then we can start talking about scaling it and growing it and all of that fun stuff. By the way, for everybody that's watching my live streams, make sure you like the video for me. I would really appreciate that, man. While we're trying to get these fucking profits, I need everybody to go ahead and like this video. Let's get dollars. Dollars. We're at some profit right now, man. Let's get the likes up. The more likes we get, the more that Bitcoin will go up. I hope anybody else here is trading Bitcoin with me. Great question. You said, just to understand, you use board funded to get funded. Yes, I use board funded to get funded, but I use Hankotrade. Yeah, I got what you're saying, but it just threw me off the way you said it. But yeah, I do use Hankotrade and TradingView to actually take my trades on my personal account. So yeah, TradeLocker funded account with board funded. And on my personal account, I am using MT4X is what they call it. It's a web version of MT4. And that is on my personal account with Hankotrade right down there. So that's pretty much that. So yes, if you guys want to tap in, go ahead and tap in. I realized too, I realized too, trading, what was it? Trading, there was something I traded on there, and it was like the spreads were kind of high. Can't remember what asset it was, but I had to let you guys know that soon again. Oh, you're trading Ethereum. Okay. Can't get mad about that either. US 30's been making new history. Oh no, I lied. I thought this was new history. Yeah, we were actually up here. US 30's been doing great. Yo, what is going on, my prop trading? How you doing, brother? Hope you're well. US 30 is doing great, guys. It's always just giving me positive vibes. I haven't been touching it lately because it's been like doing this, but it's still overall like swing trades. Yeah, y'all can make a living off of that one. I don't think a lot of y'all like oil because a lot of y'all like to swing trade too, like hold trades for a long period of time. And oil does this a lot. It just goes sideways. And this is why I love oil as a scalper, because I can get so many moves and it's slow and steady and not manipulated like gold is. If this is how gold moved, I definitely would have been best friends with gold right now. But this ain't how gold moves. I don't think, to me, it's not fucking user friendly when it comes to scalping, my strategy. No, 120. I gotta hit him up, but no, he's not. I didn't know he was supposed to come on, but no, he's gonna be on. I'm gonna hit him up. We're gonna get him back on. One thing that we are going to be doing is, I want to talk about this for a little bit. So for those that don't know, I'm doing a series called Trade a Dummy. Basically, what this means is I'm taking a very, I didn't say series, stop it. I'm taking a very new beginner that have really no experience at all in trading, and I'm going to be trading their account, whether if they have a funded account or personal account. And I'm going to be doing this live. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want you guys to see how a new trader reacts with an experienced trader, and see how an experienced trader reacts with a new trader, and also see if I grow their account or blow their account. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm like more confident enough I'm not gonna blow their account. If anything, it's just gonna be down a little bit because of the simple fact I can't guarantee that you're gonna make profits, but I am confident enough to tell you that my overall win rate is amazing, and overall you will see results, just not short term. If you see market is dropping, or if you see your account is dropping. But that being said, stay tuned for that. We're starting that next week. I'm excited for that. I actually decided to get my assistant, TM Motion. I decided to get my assistant to do it. And then after that, we see how this goes. I'm gonna work on maybe somebody, I'll choose somebody from the live streams or from the Discord, and then I'll be like, look, I'll literally grow your account, but the rule is you got to come into my live streams and tap in with me and all that stuff. So 5 minute is like 5 minute 2 minute is like prime for me. I use 5 minute 2 minute on all pairs and for entries. Hey, Crypto Alex, man, what's going on, brother? Just stay in tune, and I will definitely making sure I give out a lot of knowledge. Cool. I'm watching from South Africa, man. Sam, welcome. Thank you for tapping in from all the way from South Africa. That's amazing. I actually want to go to South Africa myself. I'm actually planning on going to South Africa real soon, hopefully this year, depending on how things go. Guys, we're currently at $1,700 on this account. until this just happened. What is this? The 15-minute? Oh, this is our 15-minute candle. That's why. Let me see 5 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pullback. I'm saying this out loud. If we get a pullback before we hit my TP, just know it is a pullback. We're already at 2,000. Come on, baby. Let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get this. Oh my God. We're already like doing good. You know what, guys? Fuck it. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. Closed. There we go. I got out of it. I got out of it. I'm out the trade. I'm out the trade. I'm out the trade. I'm out the trade. We close out this trade at $2,500 or $2,400 profit. All right. Yeah. No, I close out of it. I close out of it. Jay Smith, why you close out the trade early? Profit, profit, profit. I'm not even gonna lie, brother. I'm just looking at the profits. I'm like, it's cool. Like, we already made. How much did we make today? What do I go to see? Order history, trades. Yeah, we already made like. What the fuck? Let me go here, guys. Hold on. There's a lot going on right now on my screen. I want to take a trade on my personal account. Actually, I want us to focus on my personal account too today. Maybe I can catch another setup somewhere. Amsterdam, what is going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so this was my solo E Elliott wave strategy. If we go to plans, yeah, we took 7 trades today. See, this is weird. It's saying this is on the 22nd, but it's supposed to be the 23rd. That's something they gotta fix. Yeah, we took 7. Technically, we took 7 trades today. That's a lot of trades. And it's only because I like to take 2 entries. Sometimes I like to ride it to TP1 and then TP2. So that's the reason why you guys will see me take so many trades, but that's the only reason why. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we pretty much took 2 trades today. I mean, 7 trades today. Why would I take more, you know? At least on my funded account. We already at 13. Well, let me see. We're already at we just need $2,000 to pass phase 1. Oh shit. Okay. Don't fuck it up, E. Okay, that's dope. That's dope to know. I know somebody said they was in a buy on NASDAQ. I'm pretty sure it's doing numbers now. I'm just curious to know if this is a true uptrend. Bro, I just passed my PA with Apex with the master 100 bought on NASDAQ. That bro was crazy. Hey, Futures Wizard, what's up? That's dope, man. Yeah, 120 got some crazy stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna bring 120 back on again for sure. Obviously, like, yeah, we definitely gonna be doing a lot of dope stuff. His EA is strong, it's powerful, it does a lot of great things. His EA, the way he has created his EA is definitely completely different from how I trade. So I remember I was like, damn, bro, I don't know, I trade so differently from the EA, but his EA has been doing great. You know, clearly I got like 5 people always coming up to me and be like, yo, I just passed Apex account. I got an Apex account, I'm like, oh, that's what's up, shit. What's one thing that made you a profitable trader? What was this? Come on, baby, zoom. Fortunately, it's not working for me. It's not trying to zoom. But it's this, my trading plan. I don't know why it's not working, bro. That's so crazy. I don't know. It just got frozen on me. It's my trading plan. So like in my trading plan, I built this out using the journal that Board Funded has and their prop firm. Basically the journal helped me realize what pair is best for me to trade, what strategy is best for me to trade, and what times is best for me to trade. And also I have implemented rules in here, like 2 L's straight, I'm done for the day. Always wait for 3 confirmations before I enter into the market. Only trade what I see and not what I think. That's my rules. And then down here I got my 3 confirmation play. So really just creating my plan. It's just all about creating my plan and being disciplined to that. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do with TM Ocean when we work on her account. Make sure she understands how to build a strategy. We got to figure out what type of trader she wants to be based off of her personal like life. Like is she busy all the time? Maybe we could make her a swing trader, then a scalper. How is your mental when you get in a trade? Like how do you feel since we got in this trade? And then we set up basically everything else from there. So if I see another pullback, I can get in another entry. This is why I love scalping, because you can always get out, get in. It's like get out, get in, get out, get in. And if you know how to use the Fibonacci very well, like I use it all the time, you can really figure out a lot of these positions on when a pullback could happen. So let's just say theoretically this is our pullback. What's going to happen is once this breaks this low, this confirms that this is our range. So now what should happen is we should see some type of wave pattern. I'm just basically showing you guys what it could look like, not saying it's going to be this. We create some sort of wave pattern, and then we can see if market is going to either create this correction, and then once it does, then I'm looking for these red lines, which is my fib levels, to tap into before the next I guess like reversal slash last point of our new high or last point of our new low. Everything I do is for the ones I love and miss. Take some time, water flowers till they grow and split. So that's pretty much how that works. Somebody's saying we got news in 10 minutes. Oh yeah, my boy Trump. Yeah, of course. Duh. That's what my title is for. Yeah. Trump speaks in 10 minutes. Well, yeah, I it's crazy. I temporarily forgot. Obviously, I knew earlier coming into my stream, but I literally forgot it was in 10. I literally forgot it was at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock Eastern time. So yeah, guys, we got Trump speaking in literally 10 minutes. This is kind of the reason why we need to get out the market. Then I don't like to trade during the news. I think it's the most manipulated thing ever. I'd rather wait unless I see the most like perfect setup. Then I would trade the news. Like I would literally trade the news if I see the most like the perfect setup. And I'm curious to know if NASDAQ is going to do this. I almost want to sell it because of that, because we got liquidity down here. We're taking liquidity up here right now. I mean, honestly, TM Ocean, I don't know what I'm looking to hear from Trump. What I'm looking to see is dollar signs. All I know is my boy doing his thing in the White House. Let him do his thing and let me focus on my thing. And I got his back and he got my back. That's all it is. It's a win-win situation. That's all I'm saying. I did get out of this trade like right here, by the way, y'all. When I took this setup, it was like somewhere around here. Yo, I'm so tempted. I'm so tempted to sell this. Just because of the liquidity phase I see. We tapped in our demand. Let me see what we look at in a 1 hour. We got this wick right here. I love wicks. I love wicks. I would not be surprised if I do see it tap up further and then go down. Hey, I'm ready for whatever, y'all. I'm ready for whatever. My setup for like literally is like this. I'm just seeing, I don't know if we're gonna go up and then come down, but that's my setup. Bitcoin, anything can happen with Bitcoin right now. I don't see like any settled structure on a smaller scale, not the higher scale. Higher scale, I see it all day, but the smaller scale, I don't see any solid structure, and that kind of scares me. It's like I'm trading blindly, playing with fire. It's like I'm entering in a fucking burnt house, not knowing where I'm going. That is why I don't like getting in trades like this till I see something. You're tempted to sell more USD. I'm just curious, what you ever spent 10K or more trade, or was it something you should never do? Spend 10K or more on a trade? No, I mean, it depends on your account size. It depends on how much you're risking. If you got an account that can hold that, then yeah, you're good, you know? But if not, don't even try it. Don't even try it. Like, the reason why I'm such an I'm not an aggressive trader as far as entries. I'm an aggressive risk taker, meaning like I am fine going down to sometimes 50-60% on my account if I really see the setup. I just got in a shitty ass entry, right? Because, well, for whatever reason. But when it comes to me risking my personal account, I risk a lot more. So for me, doing like 10K, depending on my account size, yes, I will 100% do it. 100% do it. Personal account though. Funded account, obviously, I don't even think I'm able to do that anyway. All right, yeah, we got 3 more minutes before Trump speaks. Can anybody give me a link to like pop this up on here so we can look at it and watch it? Anybody has a link? Is there a link anywhere? They like showing, let me see, stream 2 days ago. I am back. Welcome, man. Welcome. Is he speaking now?
If you're a YouTuber and you want to save hours managing your library, you need to come check out how you can edit your end screens, cards, and descriptions of all of your videos with just the click of a button.
Or a one-time thing. No, this is so for real, man. I am back.
They don't take our farm product. They don't take anything. And so we're not going to have it with them either. Brian, go ahead.
Yes, Happy New Year, by the way.
Thank you.
We have some breaking news. You may not be aware of this, but it looks like Canon has blocked the DOJ from releasing the Smith's report until further court proceedings.
Y'all can't really hear this.
Good story. Yeah. So if I get it right, the fake witch hunt.
Somebody talking about
started
ask
by
about Bitcoin.
The DOJ. Having to do with books and records, and
And
Biden had
BTC
many more, and he wasn't protected
to
by
the
the
moon.
Presidential Records Act. I was, but all of that fake stuff that took the lives of people. I mean, literally
to say
destroyed
BTC
people.
to the moon.
People are destroyed because of what they did, destroyed. But we got to be president. But Biden did it for 40 years. He did it when he was a senator. That was illegal. And they ruled it was illegal. How about that? They said, it's illegal, but he's unfit to stand trial. So he can stand and be president of the United States, but the prosecutor found that he's unfit for trial. I was going to use that as a major talking point, but I never got to use it because all of a sudden I had a new candidate who was also sort of unfit to stand trial.
I think we're all here for the markets.
But so what you're saying is that the judge just blocked the so Cannon was thrown off the case. They dropped their appeal because he had no case. They dropped all of that, the lawsuits against us. They lost the lawsuit. So this is deranged Jack Smith. So he dropped the lawsuits. He was told to by the DOJ because they had no lawsuit. They lost in court in front of a very strong and a very brilliant judge. They lost in court, and that pertained to other cases in other courts. So he wanted to do a report just before I take office, probably. So he'll do like a 500-page report, and it'll be a fake report just like the investigation was a fake investigation. And I said, well, wait a minute. This guy was thrown off in disgrace. In disgrace. He's going back to The Hague or wherever they're going to send him. In disgrace. Because he failed so badly. Because it was a fake case against a political opponent. They thought they were going to use this to beat me. So what you're saying is, I'm just hearing that they're not allowed to issue the report. So if they're not allowed to issue the report, that's the way it should be. Because he was thrown off the case in disgrace. Why should he be allowed to write a fake report?
Pay close attention to NASDAQ, guys. Pay close attention to NASDAQ.
That's great news. Good.
And if I can just follow up real quickly, you want to comment, many Americans are angry that we're sending millions of dollars every month to the Taliban. Do you anticipate?
It's not even believable. Billions of dollars, not millions, billions. We pay billions of dollars to essentially the Taliban, Afghanistan. And that's given by Biden. That's the same man that took away $50 to $60 trillion worth of value from the United States. Think of it. Probably our most valuable asset. Took away our most valuable asset. This can't be allowed to happen. We are now a nation of common sense. When he does that, 625 million acres, this can't be allowed to happen. Thank you for the information. Yes, most other people probably knew about it, but they wouldn't have told me, right?
Vowed to bring down the prices at grocery stores very fast.
Yeah, we will.
Everybody liking what Trump is saying.
That bringing down prices would be very hard. So what can the American people expect when you get into office?
It's always hard to bring down prices when somebody else has screwed something up like they did, but we'll bring them down. We'll get them down. Energy is going to bring down prices. We're going to have a lot of energy, and energy is what brought it up. Energy and their bad spending is what brought it up, and energy is going to bring it down. We're going to have prices down. I think you're going to see some pretty drastic price reductions. As an example, food, bacon, ham, apples, everything has gone through the roof. It's one of the reasons I won. So as you know, I said it, inflation was one of the reasons I won, but I think the biggest reason I won was the fact that they are allowing prisoners to come into our country. They released their prisoners, their murderers. Thousands of murderers are now walking around
Everybody's
the streets
saying buy
of our
gold
cities
on this chat. What is going on with gold?
All over.
Hold on.
Murders, people that have
Hold on,
killed.
y'all. We got to
Many.
Hold on.
32% have killed more than one person. They released them from their jails, their prisons, and their mental institutions and insane asylums into our country. I believe that's the reason we got such a large vote. Maybe one.
Here's how fast and easy it is to get pro vocal mixes.
The
with
ads,
Xbox.
man. Kills me all the time. Everybody's talking about buy gold, buy gold.
About the Panama Canal. Is there any disconnect there? Do you feel a little bit bad about doing that on this day?
No, I liked him as a man. I disagreed with his policy. So, hey, he thought giving away the Panama Canal was a good
Buy
thing. I think it
Bitcoin,
cost
y'all.
him the
Look at
election.
Bitcoin.
That and the hostages. I actually think that was a bigger factor because that's a deal that just should not have been made. But, again, this was a question that was asked of me. I didn't bring it up. I didn't want to bring up the Panama Canal because of Jimmy Carter's death. But people
Nah,
don't
that's
bring
not
it
a
up.
good
But,
entry.
you know, you
I wanted
and
to
other
buy
people
Bitcoin
asked me
again
about
for
it.
this
No, it's a
entry,
deal that I
but
was
this is
very
not a good
strongly
entry.
against. I was a young guy when this took place, but
So I'll wait.
just why would we spend all of that money, lose 38,000 people to malaria, the mosquito? They were dying. It was horrible what was happening. They paid them 4 times more than they would make in the United States, but they knew they were going to go over there and die. And they died in the jungles of malaria. There was nothing we could do to stop it. 30th time. And then we gave it away for $1.
Without getting your agenda through Congress, you appeared to open the door in your radio interview yesterday for a 2-bill approach. Is it still your preference for one big, beautiful bill, as you have said?
Well, I like one big, beautiful bill, and I always have, I always will. But if 2 is more certain, it does go a little bit quicker because you can do the immigration stuff early. Now, you have to understand, for immigration and for the wall, we won the case on the wall. You know, they tried to sell the wall for 5 cents on the dollar, by the way. And we had, fortunately, a judge that stopped that. But they were already discarding the wall. And 5 cents on the dollar. And you know what they were doing? They were calling us up and saying, we'll sell it back to you at 200 cents. In other words, double.
Okay,
what
give
we
me the
paid
other
for it.
one.
So they were going to buy it from this guy for 5
my
cents
God,
on the
we're
dollar. They
moving,
were
though.
making deals. Unfortunately, we had a very smart
said go
judge that
to,
stopped it cold. I think he called for an investigation, too, and he should.
What makes this one different?
But think of it. They were selling the wall that was
What? They're not even live.
very powerful steel, hard to cut. Very, very heavy, 7,000-pound concrete, which is a very strong concrete. Everything was top of the line. Very expensive. Would be double what we paid for it then, 6 years ago. But let me just tell you, they were selling it for 5 cents.
I'm trying to tell you guys,
on the dollar
Bitcoin is
to
definitely
people.
going to go to this,
And those
just to
people were
this
calling us.
high right
asking
here,
us
and then
to
I
pay
want to
them
see what happens
200
next.
cents because
Look, everybody in this
it's a
chat
good
talking about
deal
Bitcoin,
because we
Bitcoin,
can have it
Bitcoin.
immediately.
It's crazy.
And you know what immediately is? Just leave it in place. No. The papers haven't written that, though. You know, that deal is like all the other things that these people do. These people either hate our country or they're very stupid. And I don't believe they're stupid because nobody can cheat on elections like they cheat and be stupid. They either hate our country or they're stupid. So remember what I said, because nobody wants to report it. They were selling the wall for 5 cents on the dollar and trying to resell it back to us for 200 cents or less, but for 200 cents on the dollar. That's a nice return.
We also had news on crude oil, too.
On posts on its website.
Oh, shit.
Meta said today it would stop putting fact checks on its website and instead allow.
Hold on, guys. I want to mute that real quick. So I forgot. We also got today is what? Whoa. Today is Thursday. Why do we have inventory crude oil inventory? I thought that was every Wednesday.
Actually, I watched it on Fox.
Somebody help me out. I'm missing something right now. I feel like I've been away in the markets for so long. There we go. I'm going to be looking for my buys on oil. I don't trade oil on my personal account just because the spreads on oil on my personal account is crazy. It's crazy.
It's a military strategy.
Oh, thank you. Because of Martin Luther King Day. All right.
Only a stupid person would answer it. Look,
All right,
it's a
got you.
military strategy.
Hey, if you can, send me the link. Miguel, if you can, send me the link.
All right, one more. Brian, go ahead. Brian.
Could you give us a preview of what you might be talking to leaders of Congress?
But yeah, I'm gonna turn this back up. But basically, I'm also looking at U.S. oil. That's the thing I'm gonna be paying attention to. Bitcoin. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? Regardless, we made $2,500 on this Bitcoin trade earlier. But oh my God. Look, everybody's Bitcoining right now.
But they'll be coming down. The senators also will be coming down, and then ultimately we'll be meeting in the White House in a few weeks. But right now, this is the winter season.
And the
They're sort
NASDAQ
of
is
called
finally
this the
dropping.
winter
I'm
White
waiting on
House.
this drop with
It
NASDAQ,
was
guys.
built-
I
I
actually
don't
want
know
to see
if you know this.
NASDAQ
Marjorie Merowith
hit to where I'm
Bus
thinking
and
it
E.F.
is and then
built
drop.
this. It was the greatest of all the estates in our country.
But fucking
And I
Bitcoin.
saved it, and I got a lot of credit for saving it. Most of these big, great houses have been knocked down in Palm Beach. Just about all of them, actually. And they, you'd build 10 mansions on one site. But we saved it. But this was built as the Southern White House. And she gave it to the government. And By the way, Jimmy Carter gave it back. He said it's too expensive for the United States.
How can you copy my trading? Right now, just go to copycrusher.io. The link is there. All right, I'm gonna get into. I'm tapping into oil.
He came down. Nixon came here once.
This is my last
and he thought it
trade.
was incredible,
I'm tapping
but
into
he had a thing
oil
called Watergate, if anybody
because the spreads is a little bit
remembers
high
that.
because of the news.
And,
Trump is
it's fine,
speaking,
to put it mildly.
so I'm not even going to
Jimmy
attempt like
Carter
crazy
felt that it was too
positions.
extravagant
Let me see.
for
That's
the
wrong.
country. So fortunately for me, he gave it back to the foundation, and I bought it from the
Since
foundation.
Trump is speaking, there's a lot of volume going on in the market right now. So they definitely, there's a lot of demand going on in the market. So what liquidity providers like to do and brokers and stuff, they like to increase these spreads for that reason.
Spending cuts. Do you agree with that? And what
Well,
would
I'm
your
okay
thoughts
with
be?
spending cuts. I like spending cuts. Just
I'm
on
gonna
the
stay
record
in
for
this
spending
one.
cuts. And the debt ceiling was given to us. It shouldn't have been. But
Only
it was put in our
$1,100
lap.
profit, not bad. It's not gonna blow
What I
my
want
account or
in
anything
terms of debt
crazy if it
ceiling
goes
isn't
left.
ceiling. I just don't want to see a default.
Bitcoin is
That's all I want.
booming.
I never
Holy
talked about
shit.
spending more money necessarily than all I want to see is no default, because nobody knows what would happen. In the
Buy.
future.
I got in a buy on oil.
It could be 1929 and it could be nothing, but that was put into our lap, and it shouldn't have been, but it was, and so we'll handle it. But debt ceiling is not about raising a lot of money. It's really just about extending it. I just want to see an extension.
On immigration, how much can you do by executive order? Are you planning to do on executive order when it comes to immigration? And how much do you want Congress to tackle this issue? And also on day one,
Well, I had the
what
safest
executive
border
orders are
in the
you
history of our
planning?
country by far. You
Hey,
remember
shout
the
out to you,
famous
Trump.
chart that I brought down. I love that
We're making
chart
money.
very much for a lot of reasons.
Live streaming.
But I have the safest border by far in the history of our country. And when I took it over, it was a mess. Nothing like it is now. This is 10 times worse. I got elected because of the border the first time, and I think I got elected largely because of the border the third time. And the second time I did equally well. Well, not as well as the last time, but I did very well. And I will say, this was too big to rig. You know the expression? Too big to rig. They couldn't do it. They tried, but they couldn't do it. I didn't get very much from Congress at all. I just said that we're being invaded.
Here we go, guys. There goes this drop with NASDAQ. There goes the drop with NASDAQ.
Over 500 miles
There
of
goes the
wall.
drop with
Much of
NASDAQ.
that
I'm trying
wall
to
was
tell
built
you.
through money that
I'm
had
in a
went
buy.
into the
TP is
military.
roughly around
We took it out because
76.
we couldn't get things from Congress in those days, and we took it out. And that
Trying
wall
to tell
was
you
built
guys. Let's see when
largely with money
NASDAQ,
coming
bro.
from the
I'm looking for that
So,
drop, bro. But
very simple.
let's
I went
see.
to the
Let's see.
military, I said, our
I didn't tap
country is
into
being
NASDAQ,
invaded
but I am going to
by
tap into
very
NASDAQ
similar-
on my
not-
personal
nothing
account.
like what's invading our country now.
just see
They weren't
liquidity
releasing
phase.
prisons into our country.
We got to
and
be
they weren't
careful though,
releasing
because
mental institutions
my only
in, but
downfall about it is
some-
we still never tapped
some
this
bad
area,
dudes were coming
and that's
in,
still
right?
iffy. So
And I said,
for
our
that
country's being
reason,
invaded.
before we
And
sell
I took
it,
that money largely from the military. I was sued
let's
9
be
times
logical here and
by the
see.
Democrats in
Oh, my
Congress, and I
God.
won all those suits. And we ended up building 571 miles of wall. Once that wall was built,
That's a crazy
they
stop
started going
loss.
around it. So we're going to add another 200. That would have been up in 3 weeks. And then we had a very unfortunate election result. And they said, we don't want to put it up. We'll sell it. And they started selling it for 5 cents on the dollar.
I'm not liking NASDAQ positioning. I'm not gonna get in
So
it
we'll
right
do
now,
this
guys.
again.
I
I
don't
just
like
want to
the entry.
thank everybody very much. I'm just telling you, this will be the golden age of America. This is the golden age of America. We'll have a great country again. We're a country right now under siege. We have so many different problems, and nobody respects us.
I forgot to put my
overseas, but now
stop
they do.
loss.
The Italian prime minister, as you
Holy
know, came here the other night,
shit.
just flew in and flew out. She wanted to
Holy
see
shit!
me.
Get out of it.
And great respect is being shown when I went to the
Y'all
cathedral
just seen that, right?
in France. Great respect was shown by
Oh
the Prime
my
Minister, the
God! What
President,
just
by everybody.
happened?
France was, and by the way, I have to say they did a great job in the cathedral. But great respect is being shown to our country again, and we have a great
Oh
country.
my
but
God.
we have to run it properly. It's going to be run properly.
Yo, that trade had me
We
shaking.
want to get back those hostages for Israel and for us. You know, we do have people that are hostages being held. And I'll just say it again.
Yo, that trade got me
if this
shaking,
deal's
y'all.
not done with the people representing our nation,
I thought I
by the
would
time
have
I
damn near
get to
blew my
office,
fucking funded account.
all hell is going to be
Holy
with you.
shit!
Many things are happening
All
that
right,
are
guys.
exciting,
I don't know what's
very
going on right
exciting
now.
for our country. And we're honored
No,
to
that's
welcome
crazy.
one of
I know
the
y'all just seen that. I
most
knew y'all
respected
just seen that.
business leaders in the Middle East, indeed the
That
world.
was crazy.
He's a founder and chairman of DeMac Properties, Hussein Sejwani, very respected gentleman. And I'm thrilled to announce today that
I'm done trading for the day, guys.
will be
Y'all see it.
investing at least $20
We back to
billion over a
9,000.
period of time into
It got me
the
too.
United States, and they may go double or even somewhat.
It got me too. That's what's up. You've been in the cell for 2 days. It got me too. It got me too.
I believe he will say that he's doing it because
Yeah, that I ain't even gonna lie. That was so random. So
inspired
fucking
by the
random.
election.
On a higher scale, I get it. Obviously, as a swing trader, I get it. But that was so random on a lower scale. Bitcoin is doing beautiful though.
To $200 billion.
Bitcoin is doing perfect.
And we have many other people, and we'll be bringing some of them out. Some of them.
Jesus Christ. Just because I'm liking Bitcoin more, I'm moving it above NASDAQ.
Strongly about the country that they
Bitcoin is doing beautiful.
let people know about it. But it's an honor to have such a
Yeah, guys, I lost 3,000 off that trade. Now we're like, I didn't trade anything on my personal account. Once again, thank you. Jesus.
The Sun Belt area, and also to keep
Yeah,
America
but
on
you
the
win
cutting
some, you
edge of
lose some, right?
technology and artificial intelligence. He's,
Are we still
very big
profitable
into
for the
the
day
data
though?
centers, and that's going to be a very hot item in the coming years, as you know, with AI. In particular, the first phase of the project will be in
I hear them
Texas,
talking about AI.
Arizona, Oklahoma, Louisiana,
I don't know,
Ohio,
guys. Are we still
Illinois,
profitable
Michigan,
for the day?
and Indiana, those places. And Hussein, I'd love you to come up and say a few words. Thank you very much.
This was my 3-man standing strategy.
Thank you, Mr. President. It's
And
been
we
amazing
probably literally
years
broke
for me
even
and
for
my
the day.
family when he was elected in
Damn.
November.
Yeah, we're in a
We
loss
waited
for the
4
day.
years.
Well, technically, these 2 trades don't count because this wasn't for the day. This was yesterday.
Very large
Loss.
amount of money. We are a company operating
Yeah,
in
we're at a
21
break-even day,
countries
guys.
around the world.
We're at a break-even
We
day.
have delivered more
Fuck,
than
I be hating
45,000
break-even days.
luxury units and another 45,000
I'm gonna be honest with y'all, and I'm like sure 90. We're all the same.
around the world.
Don't you hate when you put your all into a trade,
And
right?
we're very,
Like
very
you put your
excited
all into a trade mentally, right? Like mentally, you're like, okay, cool, it went up. I made all this money. I'm good. I'm chilling. And then you get into another setup, and then all hell breaks loose, and it just puts you. Even though you have your stop loss set, right? Obviously, your stop loss is set. Obviously, for wherever it is, either break even or a little loss. But mine is just set for like. I forgot to put my stop loss. I literally forgot to put my stop loss for US oil. But basically what I'm getting at is, don't y'all hate that when you do get in a trade and then you profit? That one trade went beautiful, and then you get in something like oil that just fucks up your whole history of the day.
We're going to work with you and make sure everything goes
Nah,
smoothly.
man.
We have
I'm not the only one that feels that way. I don't care how long y'all been trading, how long you've been doing this. Everybody's like that. We're all the same humans. Like we feel like we got the same emotional roller coaster going in our head, all of that.
Because everyone's afraid they're going to come in and get caught in the quagmire,
So,
which is
yeah.
very prevalent in the United States, unfortunately.
That's that.
The quagmire of environmental and various.
That is that. It's crazy work. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be announcing the winner. I'm gonna go live tomorrow because I want to announce the winner tomorrow as well for this giveaway. So if you guys want this 100K giveaway, make sure you are doing 3 things. Follow me on the Real Solo E Instagram. Also make sure you're following Board Funded, and then also make sure you are tapping into sharing stories or anything like that, and then follow my Discord community. NASDAQ, I'm anticipating on it to still hit this level and then drop, but right now there's no entry for NASDAQ. I was trying to get an entry. There's no entry. Other than that, guys, I'm about to get out. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Your boy Solo. We are break-even day today. It's cool. We'll come back tomorrow strong. Peace.
Just come in and ride away. Yeah. I'm in a real ship. I'ma survive today. Yeah. If you want ride today, I'ma just ride away. Yeah. Shawty just ride away. Shawty just ride away. You coming with me 'cause you might not survive in it. I got the juice. I'm in a high ceiling. Just just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign to you. But I keep two in that bitch by, yeah. I got a lie, homie. It's about 5, homie. I'ma survive, homie. Flying around with a chopper. Yeah, I can need a new chopper. If you want something to die for, rolling, what can you decide though? I can keep on from the op store. I don't get caught in the lie though. Brought me a brand new coupe, keeping that bitch in a hobby. Rolling around in a zombie. You can't move with me, just stay away, ho. Hey, I keep the real shit. I'm in the real shit. Yeah, just ride the bay. If you want ride the bay, Shawty can ride the bay. If you want ride the bay, I keep a baby on me. You don't want her to die today. Shawty just ride the bay, ride the bay. If you about it, it happen to ride and just come in and ride the bay. I'm in a real ship. I'ma survive today. If you want ride today, come and just ride the bay. Shawty just ride the bay. Shawty just ride the bay. Come and just hop in the ride. I got the drop top. Shawty just feeling the wave. I'm in a hot spot. If you're wet, diamonds, juices, dancing. I keep it floating. I got the whole beam. Something about it just looking at me, you define me. Got a little drip on you, moving some shit, now you cocky. Shawty been moving away, gotta revise, yeah. And Shawty don't lie to me, she be fine with me. This on me, I walk, how I do that. Shawty been bad as fuck, how I do that. You can't do like me, I move like Sims do. Catching the weight up, I got a blade up, yeah. You just ride the bay, if you want ride the bay. Shawty can ride the bay, if you want ride the bay. I keep a baby on me, you don't want her to die today. Shawty just ride the bay, ride the bay. If you about it, it happen to ride and just come in and ride the